Hey TAC fans, this is AJ here. Going to go over a pretty neat feature in ATAC that not a lot of folks are aware of. We're looking at a fire in Toller, Texas. You can see some VERS hits here that came off of satellite detection off Highway 377. And you can see all these tracks I have right here just north of the fire. You may be wondering what those are. Well, those are actually coming from the SPI off the State of Colorado's Division of Fire Prevention and Control's multi-mission aircraft. This is aircraft Wildland 27. And I've been watching it for about 30 minutes now. And one of the features that we can do in ATAC is run a breadcrumb off a moving object. Now, this feature came, part of the ATAC core. You could track another moving object, an aircraft, another TAC user. And one thing we noticed on the campfire when we were using ATAC with the MQ9 was that when we interacted with the SPI and we got the radio menu, that there was not a track option like there is now. So that was something we asked for. We thought the idea was, well, if the sensor operator using a thermal camera is just tracing the fire to make these KMLs or these map objects, why not be able to start building a track log off that same path to build some live situational awareness. So after the last 30 minutes of watching the aircraft go around the fire, I've got, although it's not a super tight tolerance with as far as the map goes, but I can see as they mapped up here, this seems to be the northern edge of the fire. I've got some pretty distinct flanks. You can see here where maybe the camera went over here. Maybe it's a spot fire, I'm not sure. But for an incident commander to get some real-time situational awareness, I think this is pretty profound. This could help you with, reestablishing maybe new lines of containment, new evacuation areas based off this live intel. If this aircraft was producing live geospatial video at the same time, if I had a downlink or the aircraft was hooked to the World Wide Web, I'd be able to watch that anywhere in the world. Or, like I said, with a downlink, just straight off the aircraft to a TAC user. Hope this was helpful, showing some of the cool features in ATAC that don't get used a whole lot, but are definitely add some definite value to the whole situational awareness part of incident management.